Hey there, fellow garden enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got something super exciting lined up for you all. If you're ready to kickstart your spring planting, you've come to the right place. Now, before we dive into today's topic, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our gardening tips and tricks. All right, let's get started. It's early April. The sun is shining, birds are chirping, and it's the perfect time to get your hands dirty in the garden. But wait, before you rush off to plant just anything, hold your horses. There are some crops that thrive when planted right now, and trust me, you don't want to miss out on these beauties. First up, let's talk about one of my personal favorites, peas. Oh, there's something so satisfying about watching those little pea shoots pop out of the soil. Peas are super versatile and can be enjoyed fresh off the vine or tossed into a delicious stir-fry. Plus, they're packed with nutrients, making them a must-have in any garden. Planting peas is a breeze. Simply sow the seeds directly into the soil about an inch apart and cover them with a light layer of soil. Make sure to give them plenty of room to climb by providing some support like a trellis or stakes. And don't forget to water them regularly to keep the soil moist. Next on our list are leafy greens like spinach and lettuce. These guys are perfect for early spring planting because they love the cool weather. Plus, there's nothing quite like the taste of freshly picked greens straight from the garden. Talk about a farm-to-table experience. Planting leafy greens is a cinch. Simply scatter the seeds evenly across the soil surface and lightly press them down. Keep the soil consistently moist and watch as your greens start to sprout in no time. And the best part? You can start harvesting them in just a few weeks. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about everyone's favorite summer veggie, tomatoes. Now, I know what you're thinking, tomatoes in early April? You betcha! By starting your tomato seeds indoors now, you'll give them a head start and ensure a bountiful harvest come summer. Starting tomato seeds indoors is easy peasy. Simply fill a tray with seed starting mix. Plant the seeds about a 1/4 inch deep and keep them warm and moist until they germinate. Once they've sprouted, you can transplant them into larger pots or directly into the garden once the danger of frost has passed. And there you have it, folks. 3 crops you absolutely must start planting right now in early April: peas, leafy greens, and tomatoes. Trust me, your taste buds will thank you later. So grab your gardening gloves and get ready to dig in. Thanks for tuning in, and happy planting. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, letting us know what crops you're starting in your garden this spring. Until next time, happy gardening!